Good morning, folks. I hope you're having a great day. Just wanted to update you on the running onions. Now, we experimented on this side that you're looking at in the center screen by burying them, and they seem to have popped up first, whereas this side, we didn't bury them. We kind of just put the soil halfway up, and they weren't doing good at all. They weren't popping out any onion shoots, any leaflets. So we went ahead and buried those too, and look, they're growing now. So I think it's safe to say that when you get these running onions, you want to bury them just slightly under the soil and they will grow. But I'll keep you updated and posted on the progress of these. We're heading into winter in Zone 9B of Florida, so hopefully these things do well throughout the winter also. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned as we'll keep you updated on the progress of these running onions. Have a great day.